Alright guys, what's up? Back with this 8th box of 2015 Prizm draft picks. I've been really pleased with the first 7. I'm getting down to it though. Only one more box to go after this one. And a lot of fun opening them. A lot of nice pulls, especially for the price. So, like I've said in every other break of this stuff, 12 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. A lot of nice color rookies, 2 autos per box. It's just nice stuff. Alright, here we go. Pack 1. Colin Kaepernick, Terrence Williams, Matt Jones rookie refractor. Not bad. He was doing pretty well before he got hurt last year. Crowder and Funches. Cool. Alright, pack 2. Still looking for a, Gurley, Mariota, Winston Cooper, any of those guys. Peyton Manning, Eddie Lacy, Nick O'Leary. Prizm team trademarks. These are not numbered. Justin Hardy and Tevin Coleman. Pack 3. There's my stained glass card. Those are 1 per box. Richard Sherman. Jameis Winston stained glass. Wow. That's a sweet looking card. This is probably one of the better stained glass cards you can pull. Thing's sweet. Just looks really nice, especially with the color of his jersey. Very nice. Nardrick McKinney and Taylor Kelly. Alright, still haven't seen any numbered stuff or any autos. Andre Ellington, Odell Beckham, Jadeveon Clowney, All-American. It's pretty cool. Jared Holloman and Sean Mannion are my base rookies. Tony Romo, Matt Forte, Frank Gore, the U, Prizm, Dramius Smith and Jake Waters, my base rookies. Still nothing. And this is pack number 7, over halfway through. RG3, Johnny Manziel, Devontae Parker, he had a nice year. Eli Harold and Rennell Hall are my base rookies. No Pats guys in this one either for the PC. A little disappointing. My first numbered card. Paul Postlosny. Jason Witten. Nick Marshall. Blue for Auburn. I think these are numbered to 75. Yep. 4 of 75. Don't know much about Nick Marshall, but These blues are very nice looking. Eric Flowers and Nate Orchard. Alright, 4 packs. Still looking for 2 autos. Hopefully it's one of the big ones. It's worth the wait. See a backwards card in this one. I think this is one of the autos. It's green. Hopefully it's Oregon green. Mike Evans. Derek Carr. Curtis Drummond. Definitely not the guy I was looking for. Still a good looking card though. Yeah, can't complain. Just a nice looking product. Curtis Drummond, Michigan State. Shane Carden. Kevin Johnson are the base rookies. Alright, 4 packs to go. 1 auto still in here somewhere. Luke Kuechly. Charles Woodson. Vince Mail, Prizm rookie. Duke Johnson and Jordan Taylor. Base rookies. It's my first Melvin Gordon rookie card. Nice. Got a camo in this one. Kenny Stills and Dwight Freeney. Camo. That's cool. Drew Brees, Prizm. Cameron Artis-Payne and Melvin Gordon. It's a nice rookie. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Oh, no auto in this one. It's going to come down to the last pack. Justin Houston, Arian Foster, Benardrick McKinney, helmet die cut, Jay Ajayi, and Austin Hill. Alright, last pack. Should be an auto in this one. The Jameis on the back. Maybe that's a good sign. Another green one. Des Bryant. Alan Hearns. Jeremy Langford. Not a bad one. Oh, that is sweet. 22 out of 25. I definitely would have rather Marcus Mariota, but Langford out of 25, that's a sweet auto. Then a Preston Smith, Winston rookie. Nice. Alright, that'll do it for box 8. 1 more to go. Thanks for watching.